Man charged for killing Fosrich production manager. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man has been charged with the shooting death of production manager at Fosrich Group of Companies Wayne Cephas. Charged with his murder is 26-year-old Demir Mackenzie of Roberts Close in Kingston. According to police report, on December 19 last year, Mr. Cephas was driving his Toyota Corolla motor vehicle along Torrent Drive off Mullines Road in St. Andrew accompanied by his son. It is reported that two men including Mackenzie approached the vehicle on a motorcycle, during which he opened gunfire at Mr. Cephas. The police said that the mare was a pillion on the motorcycle was one of who fired at the production manager. Mr. Cephas reportedly lost control of his vehicle which sped off in the direction of Halfway 3. His vehicle then collided with two other vehicles at the intersection of Mullines Road and Lower Sandrin Avenue. Mr. Cephas was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead.
Yeah, look down, put him that up. You hear the shot? You hear the shot? Yeah, man, dead, yeah. You look down, put him that up.
Name Nick. No, stay.
Like him and try.
My breed. Someone not try that.
Will?
Last one.
Who will get the name?
A foot break.
How about phone is that? Yes. I'm not him have the idea. No, like I son.
I'm son. Him can only wait. Man saying father. General, don't sleep. Don't make him sleep.
Oh, come on, wake up!
The police said that the shooter drove the motorcycle from the scene but crashed. The gunman then escaped. Mackenzie was later identified by an eyewitness and charged after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.